Welcome to ECED 7260, Investigating Science Methods and Materials. This is your home page for the course, and this video is just to kind of help you walk through how to find things in the class and expectations, just some basic things, and let you get to know what we expect. So when you start here, obviously you'll click the Start Here button, and this is going to take you to a content page. So there's a couple of ways of getting to it. Table of contents. Anytime you want to work through the next learning activity, anything in the course, you're going to go to the content page. So this is where this is. I'm going to go there for you. So content, getting to know the course. There's syllabus, tech requirements, online expectations, a little bit of information about your professor, and discussion options. Obviously you can see all of these items. It would be great if you reviewed these before the course started. That way you have an idea of what you need to work out and make sense of. But one thing that you can also put, and it's going to be in every single learning activity, is this little item right here called Student Questions and Concerns. When you click on this, it takes you to a discussion forum, and we have questions and concerns, cool and exciting links, and then books we love. One other thing that you can think about is we've called this the Teacher's Lounge. And obviously we all know that when you have questions about stuff, you talk to other teachers. That's kind of what this is set up for you to do. You can ask a direct question here and get feedback from me. If your classmates know the answer, they may answer you there as well. Cool and exciting links, books, and then frequently asked questions. What I suggest is maybe you go in and you look at what we have here. There's some discussion board related things, and as things come up, I will pop in a question just to kind of help you see, answer some things beforehand in case you don't understand what's happening in the class. Another way to get to that discussion board, if you click on Communication, Discussions, it's at the very top, okay? So in this discussion board, everything is set up, learning activities, and if you have a discussion board, it's within that learning activity. The way the course is set up, you are not going to be able to access the second half of the class. You're also not going to be able to access the next learning activity until you complete the checklist for your first one. So for example, I'm going to click on Learning Activity 1. There's a video that walks you through what's expected. And this happens in every single learning activity unless it's self-explanatory. But as you scroll down through here, there are links embedded, typically in each of your learning activities, that give you additional information, possibly links to other things in the course. But as we keep going down, I said Teacher's Lounge is in every single one of them, but you also have a checklist for each of your learning activities. In order to move to the next learning activity, you have to complete this checklist. Now, does that mean you have to have done everything? It would be nice if you did, but you have to have at least completed it and checked everything off before you can go to the next one. And in this course, I'm going to allow you to move forward. So if you finish learning activity 1 and you're ready for 2, you don't have to wait until an open date. There will be due dates, but you can work ahead. I just want to make sure you have things turned in a timely manner to keep yourself on track. So continue on looking at how this is set up. The learning activity is going to have an overview, and within that overview, I'm not going into details, but it will have information about what's expected, typically page length, links to the different places you're going to put items, and then you also have connections down underneath that. Every learning activity is also going to have something called Things to Complete and Turn In. So my suggestion for that is don't open this until you're ready to have done it, because then you get a check mark and you know you finished it. So hopefully this helps you navigate a little bit through the course. I'm here if you have questions, and please let me know, and I look forward to getting to know you this semester.